Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix black spot problem in iPhone's camera. So guys, here you can see a black spot in the camera of my iPhone. Whenever I am trying to capture a picture or trying to record a video, the black spot appears. And here I will show you how can you fix it if you are also facing this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply clean the camera of your iPhone gently. So guys, simply clean the camera of your iPhone gently, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open settings in your device and then scroll it below and tap on general, and now tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, here you can see this. If there is any update available for you, simply update your device, and after this go back, and now you have to simply give a forced restart to your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.